What is an audio channel? So when we're in stereo, we typically have a left and right audio channel. And so how do we define left and right? Well, by standard, our channel number 1 is our left channel, and our channel number 2 is our right channel. And so typically that is, if we were recording with a microphone pointing left, that is our left microphone. That's interpreted as left in Premiere Pro, and it plays our sound to the speaker positioned on the left. If you notice, I'll come down here into the timeline and play. Over here I have stereo. So this I'm playing only the left track, right? So only the left channel. And over here, I'm playing only the right channel. And so when I'm playing together, I get stereo. So I am actually having two channels. So left is always channel 1, to the right is channel 2. And when I play them both together, I get stereo.